So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reduce the size of your PowerPoint slides. Now, in order to do it, first of all, select any of the image that you want to reduce the size of. Let's say if I have multiple images added on my PPT, just simply select any one image and go to this option of picture format. Now, under here, you'll see this option of compress pictures. Click over there and just simply uncheck mark this that says apply only to this picture. Now once you hit OK, the compression will apply to all the pictures with a specific size. Now if you try again saving the PPT, you'll notice that the size is significantly decreased as it previously used to be, and you might not even notice the changes that have been done on the images because the images might have been in the highest resolution that the PPT does not even support. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.